Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the issue where Battlefield 6 gets stuck on the loading screen. Now, this process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Now, if your game is hanging when you first launch it, it often isn't actually crashed. Usually, the game is just working really hard to compile shaders in the background, and the visual display gets stuck while it thinks. So before restarting anything, try this simple refresh trick. Simply press Windows plus D on your keyboard to minimize the game and return to desktop. Then wait just a few moments and then click on the Battlefield icon on your taskbar, which you minimized. This should force the graphics to refresh, and you often see the loading percentage jump forward immediately as well. Now, if the refresh trick doesn't work for you and the bar hasn't moved for a long time, the game is likely frozen and we need to force it to close completely so we can get a clean restart. So what you do is just simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard and then choose Task Manager. And then in the list of running applications, simply choose Battlefield 6 and then right-click on that and click on End Task. This will cut the connection immediately without waiting for the game to close itself. Now that it's fully closed, go ahead and relaunch the game, and it should now breeze past the starting point. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to get past this loading screen and jump straight into the action. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.